seen a train on that line.
He's going around. He's like, screw this.
Let's go. There's never a train on that line, though.
There is today. Yeah, this way. She right anyways. She said it'd be another 30, 35 minutes.
The car just died.
Better stop right here so you can get footage.
I'm already getting footage, dude.
Dude, you need to be zooming in and getting some footage here.
I know, but usually that would just mess the camera up, but this time, no. What? Well, why is it just this day we get to see a train on this line for once?
It's your lucky day, dude. You do realize last time we rolled up at the train yard, you just happened to have 2 of them coming. You got a train meet and a horn show. You're like super lucky.
Where's the doodles?
Well, you're a doodle. Kiki's a doodle.
Now move your head.
We ain't
too
even close to
close.
nothing.
You're not going to pull up there and get footage of the train.
You get closer, you're gonna not be able to see them over the top of these cars. That's why your dad's
here on the
back.
hill.
What are these people? What is wrong with them?
Nobody wants to wait. It's a big of a hurry.
This line is like never active. And finally they get to have an active line. He's not even moving, dude.
He's probably doing
moved just a
something.
tiny bit since we've been here. Maybe we'll keep going. I'll be up at the front for long.
By the time they're all moved, you'll probably be off the track. It's probably only got 4 cars. Patience, people, patience. Look at them all. Drop them like flies.
Steady.
Why can't we just go into the other lane or something?
Because that's illegal.
Go into the other lane on our right, dude.
I
Yeah.
need to be in this lane
Why?
because we turn after this.
I want this on my feet. My feet are sweating.
Feel it.
Huh?
I can feel it blowing on my feet.
Barely. Feet are sweating. No, they're dropping like flies.
Oh, he's moving again.
See, now he's moving. Just wait, people. Look at all of them. Can't wait for 2 seconds.
And like I said, you gotta go 2 miles or so out of your way. You either have to go a mile that way or you have to go 2 miles that way.
There's a blue hopper up ahead. I've never seen a blue hopper. And he's actually picking up speed, though. This line's like, there's a Chicago Northwestern hopper. I see it. Chicago Northwestern.
Slowly, just jamming out. Waiting on the train. Like a normal person.
He's picking up some speed now. But how come some of these train cars look so good? Mom, move your head.
Sorry.
Getting down
Now I
the
can't even see the train, dude.
road. Let me see your phone.
Okay.
I'm staying your way. It's 'cause that big honking thing.
Hey, Daddy, got the number plate.
It don't matter.
You're supposed to know the YouTube anyway.
Anybody Everybody driving down the road can see their license plate.
Drink. There's like literally never trains on this line. And yet there's a train today, finally. Man, there's a lot of hoppers. This must be a grain train or something. I don't usually see grain trains, but yeah. Grain trains are kind of Corey, you're 40 years old. I am not. You're 10 years old. You're 100 years old. Okay, shush. I can see the train pretty good now.
You can see it?
No, I can't. Go for one hole.
There's the engine. There's two engines. And there's a third engine.
3 engines, dude.
And I can't see it anymore.
There's the others pull off. I can't see here.
Well, there's like never a train on this line.
Except for today when there is.
Yeah, whatever.